Are you like me and planning to update your kitchen this year? Well, before you dive into expensive kitchen renovation plans, I have some news for you. There are certain kitchen trends that are on the way out this year that you're gonna wanna know about before you start your project. Open shelving and exposed pantries may seem like a great idea and look beautiful in magazines when they're professionally styled, but in real life, homeowners are finding that they're a nightmare. There are issues such as dust, as well as grease if the shelves are located near your stove, as well as just general clutter. I mean, who really has time to perfectly style and dust their open shelving every weekend? This is why 87% of homeowners prefer some kind of concealed storage solutions, according to the National Kitchen and Bath Association. This is why hidden pantries, as well as panel-ready appliances and sleek doors are going to be taking center stage in 2025 kitchen design. So this is why one of the most practical solutions to this is pull-out pantry shelves. So these are things that you can actually install either as you're designing your kitchen, or you can get aftermarket versions that you could attach to the floor of a cabinet. And this is going to give you more organization and more storage space by having a pull-out pantry shelf. And for smaller kitchens, vertical shelving is absolutely key. You need to squeeze every square inch out of your kitchen in terms of storage. So instead of open shelving, you may want to consider a floor to ceiling pantry cabinet, or getting the absolute most storage out of any corner cabinets that you have by installing things like a Lazy Susan or a Renovation. And here's a very affordable hack. So if you already have open shelving in your kitchen, you don't want to replace everything, you can add things like a basket, like a woven basket, or some kind of a fabric bin to put your items in, and that way they're out of sight and they're neatly organized, and they're also a beautiful decor piece for your kitchen. So let me know your thoughts. Are you team storage or team open shelving? Which one do you prefer and looks more modern and updated? Next up, kitchens with little to no natural light are going to be on the way out in 2025. Poor natural light and poor lighting in general doesn't just make your space feel smaller, it can actually affect your mood as well as your productivity. The National Kitchen and Bath Association now reports that 88% of homeowners prefer some kind of lighting design to help them set the mood for their kitchen and help elevate their spirits and have a more productive and usable functional space. So my kitchen is blessed with having a beautiful skylight, as well as a giant window, as well as big sliders to help let that natural light in. But yours might not have that. There are aftermarket solutions that you can purchase. There are things called solitubes, or you can get a skylight from a skylight company to get that natural light in. And if you are planning a major renovation, you may want to consider making the window of your kitchen actually larger and building that into your design plan as well as your budget. Now, if you don't want to be cutting into your walls or your ceiling, which I totally understand, there are some quick fixes for you. So make sure you have not just overhead lights, but also pendant lights. And also you can get things like LED strip lights that you can install underneath cabinets to help give a better mood to your kitchen, and that way you're gonna have more light and it's gonna feel more bright and spacious. Another pro tip to add light to your space is to use mirrors. So if you have a window, you might wanna consider adding a mirror near that window to help bounce light around your kitchen and make it feel more spacious and bright. And if you're liking these tips so far, make sure you hit that like button. It helps more design lovers just like you and I to help find this video. Waterfall countertops were actually the bee's knees and were super modern and on everybody's design list. But in 2025, they're headed out the door as people are starting to feel like they're a little bit overdone. They can actually be incredibly expensive to install, and they don't really add much in terms of functionality. Plus, waterfall countertops don't really age well, and Elle Decor is actually recommending that you use different ways to highlight the natural beauty of any stone that you put in your kitchen. So what should you do instead of a waterfall edge to your kitchen? Well, a lot of people are obviously using counter splash, which is using the same countertop material on the main counter as well as up where the backsplash normally is. So that's an option that you can do. I would just be careful in terms of what you choose in terms of your stone choices, because that is going to be highly visible when you have it on your wall. Raw edges like you find in a natural quartz or in a soapstone are definitely becoming more popular as well. They're going to create a softer, more organic look that is going to be much more preferred versus the sharp lines of the waterfall. The other thing to consider is maybe you play with the edges of your countertop. Make sure you have some rounded edges, because again, that's going to be a more organic shape that is becoming more of the style next year. So instead of going all in on completely replacing your countertops, you could do something like maybe just change the countertop on your island as something contrasting. So you could do a butcher block, or maybe just a contrasting color countertop that's different from the rest of your kitchen, and it'll add some visual interest. So if you are planning your own kitchen renovation or even just a kitchen makeover, I have a great free resource for you. It's a kitchen budget worksheet, and it'll help you plan your project. It pretty much has every item that you might need to spend money on for your kitchen renovation, so it'll help plan your budget. It might even help you save money. So download your copy today at pennymodern.com/freebies. Link is down in description. Okay, so handleless, sleek cabinets were definitely all the rage during the minimalist boom, but they've started to fall out of favor for a few reasons. First, they can be really frustrating to use. Push to open mechanisms often fail, and those grooves for opening tend to collect crumbs and dirt, which is not ideal in a busy kitchen. Plus, if you have kids like I do, you can get fingerprints and smudges all over your cabinet doors. Living, etc. reports that homeowners are now gravitating towards decorative hardware that's both functional and stylish. Updating your hardware is one of the easiest and most affordable ways to refresh your kitchen. You could try matte black handles for a sleek and modern look, or go bold with a gorgeous metal like a brass or an aged brass for a contemporary edge. For a vintage vibe, you might even consider a ceramic or glass knob to add personality and uniqueness to your kitchen. These can add some charm to an otherwise modern kitchen. And the best part, you can install new hardware by yourself in just a few hours, or maybe even less than an hour. Talk about instant gratification. So what's your favorite place to source hardware like knobs and handles? I love both Amazon and IKEA, but I'd love to know what you like to use. I'm always looking for inspiration from y'all. Now let's talk about kitchen color palettes. While all white or gray kitchens have been a staple for years, they're officially losing their appeal. Why? They can feel a little too sterile, like you're walking into a showroom or maybe even an operating room rather than a welcoming, lived-in home. According to the National Kitchen and Bath Association's 2025 Kitchen Trend Report, homeowners are turning to warmer, natural colors. Green has been the top choice for 76% of designers, followed by blues and browns. These colors aren't just trendy. They create an emotional connection to the space by adding both warmth as well as depth. Green is especially popular because it ties in with the growing trend of biophilic design, which focuses on bringing elements of nature into the home. A sage or forest green for your cabinets can create a calming atmosphere while also feeling fresh and modern. Blues, on the other hand, can be used to evoke serenity. Pair navy blue lower cabinets with brass or gold hardware for a sophisticated yet inviting look. If you want a bold choice, warm browns, which is definitely hot in 2025, especially even when you pair it with a walnut or an oak, can bring in a classic mid-century vibe to your kitchen. For those on a budget, here is an easy way to embrace this trend. Start with accessories. You could swap out white or gray dishware for earthy ceramics, or use soft green or blue tea towels to add subtle color. If you're feeling adventurous, paint just your kitchen island or a single cabinet in one of these shades. You can be surprised how much it transforms the space without committing to a full overhaul. Do you think white kitchens are going to stick around, or are you ready to embrace some color? Let me know down in the comments below. So now we're going to talk about those exciting trends that are definitely going to be on their way in 2025. But first, if you love affordable modern home decor and interior design inspiration, make sure you hit subscribe because that's what we're all about here at Penny Modern. Now we're on to those awesome kitchen trends that are coming at you hot in 2025. So first up, ceilings are stepping into the spotlight. According to Living, etc., bold ceiling treatments are becoming a focal point in kitchen design. From wooden beams, which I know everybody loves, to geometric paneling or even wallpaper, adding details to your ceiling can completely transform the feel of your kitchen. And here is a very actionable idea. If you're working with a tight budget, consider painting your ceiling a bold color like a deep navy or a soft terracotta to create instant drama. If you want a more luxurious look, faux wood beams or textured ceiling tiles can bring depth and warmth to the space without a full remodel. Interior designer Gretchen Klebs points out that a statement ceiling can draw the eye upward, making even a small kitchen feel larger and more dynamic, and I could not agree more. Next, let's talk about something you might not have heard of, mood kitchens. According to National Kitchen and Bath Association, 88% of homeowners are using lighting to create specific atmospheres in their kitchens. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's also emotional. Think bright, energizing light for your morning coffee, and then having a dim, cozy light for evening dinners or cocktail hours. NKBA expert Sarah Robinson says, layered lighting lets homeowners set the tone for every part of their day, creating a personalized and versatile space. To incorporate this trend, start with dimmable LED lights. They're energy efficient and let you control the brightness depending on the time of day. For added flair, consider installing pendant lights over your kitchen island or even color-changing LED strips under your cabinets for a high-tech vibe. There are so many options on Amazon, and a lot of them you can actually set on your phone or even do a timer on your phone, and it has a multitude of options so you can change the color or the brightness depending on the time of day. For a big impact, don't forget natural light. Large windows, like we talked about before, glass doors, or even a skylight can bring that perfect balance of brightness and serenity into your kitchen. Finally, let's talk about a trend that is a personal goal of mine, an integrated coffee bar. According to Elle Decor, coffee bars are becoming a must-have feature in modern kitchens. These stations add a touch of luxury while keeping your counters clutter-free. Interior designer Clara Jung says, coffee bars have evolved from simple countertop setups to fully integrated stations with hidden storage and dedicated appliances. To try this trend, carve out a small section of your kitchen. Maybe it's a cabinet near your fridge and add pull-out shelves to your coffee machine and all your accessories. Don't forget to include a space for mugs, syrups, and even a small jar of sugar for a polished cafe-like vibe. For an extra touch of elegance, line the back of your coffee bar with a fun tile pattern or mirror to make it pop. It's a simple upgrade that adds both function, because sometimes you get those coffee splatters, but it's also stylish, a way to upgrade your space. So if you love this video with all the latest kitchen trends, but you're a little bit concerned about embracing trends and making your kitchen look dated in a few years, I have a great next video for you to watch, and that is my timeless kitchen design trends video, which is going to help you understand which trends or which ideas that you could embrace to have a timeless, elegant kitchen. So watch that video next, and it's right here.